How to get rid of old house smell, detailed guide. The joys of home ownership. The endless maintenance, the unexpected expenses, and of course, the delightful scent of a musty old house. Nothing quite says welcome home like the pungent aroma of old carpets, moldy walls, and who knows what else. But if you beg to differ, we have you covered. This is because we will show you how to get rid of old house smell. Let's get to work and make your home smell fresh and new again. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Clean and declutter. Remove old furniture and belongings contributing to the smell. These items can trap odors and make it difficult to get rid of the smell. Next, dust and vacuum all surfaces. Pay special attention to areas where the smell is most concentrated. Use a damp cloth to wipe down surfaces and remove any dust or dirt. Be sure to vacuum carpets and rugs thoroughly, as these can trap odors. For surfaces that need deeper cleaning, use appropriate cleaning products. For example, use a mixture of warm water and mild dish soap to clean walls and baseboards. You can also use vinegar and water solution to clean floors and countertops. You may need to use a stronger cleaning product if you have stubborn stains. Upholstered and wooden furniture can also trap odors. Therefore, it's important to deep clean these items as well. Use an upholstery cleaner to clean any upholstered furniture. Be sure to follow the instructions on the product carefully to avoid damaging the fabric. If you cannot do it yourself, hire a professional to do this for you. Improve ventilation. The easiest way to improve ventilation is to open windows and doors. This will allow fresh air to circulate through the house and help remove stale odors. If the weather permits, open windows and doors on opposite sides of the house to create a cross breeze. Fans can also help improve ventilation by circulating air throughout the house. Place a fan next to a window and point it outward to push stale air out of the house. You can also place a fan in a central location to circulate air throughout the house. If your house doesn't have adequate ventilation, consider installing a ventilation system. A whole house ventilation system can help circulate fresh air throughout the house and remove stale odors. You can hire a professional to install a ventilation system or install one yourself if you're handy with DIY projects. Address any mold or mildew. If the smell in your old house is caused by mold or mildew, you need to address the problem at its source. First of all, it's worth mentioning that mold and mildew can be harmful to your health. So, it's important to take appropriate safety precautions when dealing with them. This includes wearing gloves, a mask, and eye protection, and ensuring that the area is well ventilated. Now, onto the actual process of removing the mold or mildew. Use a solution of white vinegar and water to kill the mold or mildew. To do this, mix 1 part white vinegar with 1 part water. Then, apply the solution to the affected areas using a sponge or spray bottle. Let the solution sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes to give it time to work. Then, use a scrub brush or cloth to scrub away the mold or mildew. Be sure to rinse the area thoroughly with clean water once you're done scrubbing. If the mold or mildew has left behind stains, you can use a commercial mold and mildew stain remover to get rid of them. In addition to cleaning the mold or mildew, it's crucial to address the underlying cause of the problem, such as a leak or high humidity. This may involve repairing leaks, installing a dehumidifier, or improving ventilation in the affected areas. If you cannot get rid of the mold or mildew yourself, or the affected area is large, hire a professional mold removal company. Use natural odor absorbers. Using natural odor absorbers is a great way to get rid of old house smells without relying on harsh chemicals. Baking soda. Simply sprinkle baking soda on carpets, upholstery, and other surfaces. Let it sit for several hours or overnight. Next, vacuum up the baking soda to remove the odors. You can also place bowls of baking soda around the house to absorb odors. Activated charcoal. Put activated charcoal in bowls or sachets and place them around the house to absorb odors. Replace them after a few days until you get rid of the foul odor. Vinegar. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle and spray the mixture on carpets, upholstery, and other surfaces. Let it sit for several minutes, then blot with a clean cloth to remove the vinegar and any odors. You can also place bowls of vinegar around the house to absorb odors. Use air purifiers. Using an air purifier is a great way to help eliminate airborne particles contributing to unpleasant smells. There are many different types of air purifiers on the market, so it's important to choose the right one for your needs. Look for an air purifier that is designed to remove odors and has a HEPA filter to trap particles like dust and pet dander. Once you've chosen your air purifier, it's important to place it in the right location. You'll want to place the air purifier in the room where the odor is most concentrated. If the odor is throughout the house, invest in multiple air purifiers. Run the air purifier for several hours or overnight. Most air purifiers have different settings, so you can adjust the speed based on the severity of the odor. It's important to change the filter in your air purifier regularly to ensure it's working properly. Check the manufacturer's instructions for how often to change the filter. Consider professional odor removal services. If the smell persists after attempting these steps, consider hiring a professional odor removal service. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.